In this video, we're going to go over how you can access and use Canva's free AI text to image generator. And be sure to stick around to the end because we're going to go over a few tips and tricks on how you can generate some amazing photos with this free AI tool. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you would like to see more tutorials on how to use AI software. All right, first off, if you haven't already, you'll want to sign up for a free account. And you can log in with your Gmail or Facebook account or just sign up with a regular email. Once you get logged in, just head on over to the upper right-hand corner and click on the button that says Create a Design. And for today's tutorial, we're just going to be creating a regular Instagram post with the AI image generator. Once you select the design that you would like to create, just head on over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the icon that says Apps. From there, currently, the very first app is the AI text-to-image generator, and you'll just want to click on that. And if you don't find the application there, I will be putting a link that will bring you directly to the text-to-image generator in the description of this video, so feel free to always click that link as well. Canva always has a few inspirational prompts that you can click to generate an image, and if you'd like, you can just click one of those, or you can type in your own prompt into the text box. And then you can also select a style as well. For this tutorial today, I'm just going to click on Surprise Me and see what Canva comes up with. And then just click Generate Image and wait a few seconds. And there we go. Just like that, Canva generated a few original images. You can select whichever one you want by simply just clicking on it or dragging it over to your design. And sometimes it can be a little bit difficult coming up with a good prompt for your image. So one hack to help you generate some amazing images with Canva is to head over to a different AI generator. Something like Dolly will work really well. And all you have to do is just head on over to their image collection and scroll through the images that have already been generated. And after you find one that you really like, just click on it and copy the prompt from that image and then paste it into the text box in Canva and see what Canva comes up with. It'll take a little bit of experimenting to get really good at using these AI image generators, but after you play around with the prompts fairly often and you use the different tools, you'll definitely get better with it over time. If you found value in this video, I would definitely appreciate you hitting the like button. And if you would like to see more tutorials about how to use AI software, and if you would like to stay updated with all the new tools that are coming out, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.